scrolling, this video can literally save you hours of work and hundreds of dollars. I'm gonna show you how to generate real AI video for free using Google Gemini, step by step. If you are a YouTuber, content creator, marketer, or even a beginner, this tool can create videos for you automatically. No camera, no editing skills, no expensive software. Hi, you are watching JK Future Tech, where I share real AI tools and smart tech hacks. Today, I'll show you exactly how I generated AI videos using Google Gemini live on my screen. Step 1. Open Google Gemini. First, open Google Gemini Business using the official link. I also put the link in the description. Step 2. Now sign in using your Google account or business email. Step 3. Once you are inside, look for the creative or video generation option. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Now copy, prompt and paste. Step 5. Generate the video. Click generate and within seconds Google Gemini create a real AI video for you. Quick tips to make your AI video look real: use clear prompts, mention camera angles and lighting and mood, generate short clips and combine them later. Google may offer limited or trial access depending on time and region, so you this feature will it's available. If this video helped you, subscribe to JK Future Tech. I post daily videos on AI tools, free software and future tech that actually works. Comment AI video if you want my exact prompts for viral videos. Like the videos so YouTube show it more people. Thanks for watching. The future of content creation is AI and you are early.